Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with another makeover with my beautiful niece Manasa, who's come all the way from US. So today we are going to do a purpley bluey eye makeup which you can wear it during the day as well as in the night. So let's get started. To begin with, I have already applied moisturizer on her face as well as the eye cream and primer. So let's get started with the foundation. I'm going to be using the orange shade.
I'm also going to use a little bit on the mouth area and the nose.
This basically is going to cover all the dark circles and a bit of a discoloration that she has on her face. Next, I'm going to be applying concealer on top of the color corrector that I applied. I'm going to be mixing this and this color together. Moving on to the foundation, I'm going to be mixing two shades to get the perfect shade for her complexion. This is from MAC. So I'm going to be applying foundation with the help of this stippling brush. I'm using this concealer cum highlighter from NARS just to brighten up her under eye area.
Blending all of that with the help of a brush.
Then I'm going to be setting the under eye area with the help of this translucent powder. Can you go for me? I'm going to be leaving that under her eye area just for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it kind of gets settles properly. Next, moving on to the eyes. Close your eyes for me. I'm applying concealer as a base. Setting it with the same translucent powder. Starting off with this transition shade. This is from Ita. We'll be starting with this, and then for the lid color I'm going to be using this purple. Next, I'm going to be applying this dark blue shade. This is from Inglot for her outer corner. Next, I'm adding this dark brown for the outer corner, just on top of the blue. Go to the gel eyeliner. This is from Maybelline. Taking the same purple eyeshadow. Applying it to the lower lash line. Just smoking it out lightly. Next, I'm highlighting the inner corner with this light shimmery cream shade. Coming back to the face, I'm applying compact powder from MAC. Moving on to the eyebrows. Next, moving on to the mascara from Lakme. I'm going to be bronzing up her cheeks with this MAC bronzer. With the help of the same brush, I'm applying blush. This is from Maybelline. And this soft and gentle MAC highlighter just on top of the bronzer that I just applied on her cheeks. So moving on to the last step, I'm applying lipstick. I'm mixing colors. This is a nude color from Nykaa, and another one is from Freedom. It says red, but actually it looks like pink. So applying the nude color first. So this is the final look. It looks a little complicated and complex, and looks like it's going to take a lot of time, but since I was recording, it took some time, but otherwise it's very simple, something that you can just wear it and go for any casual parties, or something that which makes you look very elegant. And so I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section as to how you liked it.
I had a great time doing this video with my atte. I hope all of you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, flaunt the glamorous you. Bye!